Have you ever applied for a loan or a credit card only to be met with the mysterious world of credit scores and credit bureaus? It can feel like a whole new language. FICO scores, Vantage scores, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. It's enough to make your head spin. Today, let's tackle one of those confusing terms, TransUnion. You might be wondering, is TransUnion some secret branch of Experian? Are they the same company under a different name? The answer is no. TransUnion and Experian are actually two entirely separate credit bureaus. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty of credit reporting, let's rewind a bit. Imagine you're applying for a job. The potential employer wouldn't make a decision based on a hunch, right? They'd likely check your references, past work experience, and qualifications. Similarly, when you apply for a loan or credit card, lenders need a way to assess your creditworthiness. This is where credit bureaus come in. These companies collect information about your borrowing habits, how much credit you have, your payment history, any defaults, and compile it all into a credit report. Think of your credit report as your financial resume. It paints a picture of how responsible you've been with borrowed money in the past. Lenders use this information to decide whether to approve your application, and if so, at what interest rate. Now, back to TransUnion and Experian. There are actually three major credit bureaus in the United States: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each bureau collects information from different lenders and creditors, so your credit report from TransUnion might not be identical to your report from Experian. Here's the kicker: even though these bureaus operate independently, they all play by the same basic rules. They collect similar data, use similar scoring models, although with slight variations, and all provide consumers with free access to their credit reports on a yearly basis. So, why are there three bureaus instead of just one? Well, having multiple credit bureaus helps to ensure accuracy. If there were only one source of information, a single mistake could have a major impact on your financial well-being. With three bureaus, lenders get a more complete picture of your credit history, and any discrepancies can be flagged for further investigation. But here's the thing: don't assume that because you have a good credit report with Experian, your TransUnion report will be squeaky clean too. It's crucial to check your reports from all three bureaus regularly. This way, you can catch any errors and make sure your financial picture is accurately represented. Here's a quick tip for remembering the difference between these bureaus. Think of TEE, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. Easy, right? Remember, a good credit score can save you thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. By understanding how credit bureaus work and taking steps to monitor your credit reports, you can take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.